Hey y'all, come unbox my Ulta haul with me. I needed to replenish on some items, so I placed an order on Ulta.com. Here I am opening the box. Love to pop the bubble mailer. It's so satisfying. Anyone else likes to pop the bubble mailer? And so I picked up the Tropical Glow by Tree Hut, the body wash. I did get the spray as well. It smells so good. My favorite deodorant is the Donna Karan Cashmere. It lasts all day and it smells so good. I did pick up the e.l.f. Power Grip Setting Spray. And then I also got the e.l.f. Moisturizer. I need a daily moisturizer. And then this Kylie Cosmetics, the perfume. So much hype around it. Got this e.l.f. liquid blush in berry. Well, I can't wait to try it. And then I also got it in the Pinky Promise. And then this lip oil in pink quartz. So that was all I picked up from Ulta. And I wanted to share with you guys. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing video. And I'll see you guys for more. Bye.